Haji Lane. Whoa. Selfie coffee? This is what we're after. Check this place out. Hi, how are you doing? I think, how do you do the selfie coffee?
You pick a nice coffee on one coffee from here.
Yeah. Okay, perfect. Are you going to have one or I'll have one?
Yeah.
Right, cool. So, can I have a vanilla, is that like a latte, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, one of those, please. Thank you very much.
Can I please have a amaretto latte, please? Thank you.
Check this out, you can even get a selfie lemon tart. How cool is that? How come you didn't use the props?
Didn't see them.
You can see your coffee. It's coming.
So excited about coffee.
That is cool. Thank you very much. Cheers. Yeah, that's so cool. Cheers. So it may look cool, but does it taste any good? Pretty good.